Hey guys, so if you haven't seen my last video about fixing my hair disaster and why my hair is super short and asymmetrical now, go ahead and make sure to watch that video for that story because it was a stressful one. There was crying involved. Not on camera, but in store. But anyway, today I am catching up on filming a ton of videos. As you can see from the next few videos, I'm going to be wearing the exact same outfit, same hairstyle, same makeup, because I'm not lying to you guys. You all know that I am stupid crazy busy and I have to film a bunch of videos in one day or no videos go up. So today I have a giant iced coffee that I just made for myself. By the way, the key to good iced coffee at home is coffee ice cubes. Seriously, take an ice cube tray, pour coffee in it for your iced coffee. That way when the ice cubes start to melt, you're just adding more coffee to it. It doesn't water down your iced coffee. It's a genius idea, and I think Starbucks should do it too, but you know they won't listen to me. But yeah, so coffee ice cubes, those save my butt. Because basically iced coffee saves my butt. Because I drink way too much coffee and I should probably be having water. Anyway, today we are hopping into my Sephora Playbox. By the time this is up, it is probably June. Because like today's the 30th. Yeah. So anyway, let's get into this. I mean, just so busy. So busy. However, I did see on Sephora's, I think it's Instagram, they've finally done something I've been begging for years. In store and online, you can finally use your Beauty Insider points online. I'm so freaking happy about this, you guys, because you know I have like a 45-minute to an hour drive just to get to a Sephora where I live. So I like never go into Sephora unless I'm up in that area anyway. I usually order online if I need anything from Sephora, or I get it somewhere else. But now that I can use these, much more likely to order. Very, very happy. Here is the little poster we always get. I'm saying a lot today. I don't know why. I'm going to try and stop that. But it says that the May 2018 theme is beauty goals. So let's see what we've got in here. Okay, this bag is really cute. It's a denim colored cotton, and then it has this little like red shoelace type cord. This is very cute for summer. I like it. And it just says Play by Sephora. So I'm just going to pop into here and pull out what I feel first. First up, oh, okay. We have not gotten any Sephora skincare products, I don't believe, other than like maybe a primer. This is the Sephora Mud Mask Purifying and Mattifying with Zinc and Copper. Very cool. Here's what it looks like. I will definitely give this a shot and see how it works. I do love getting mask samples because I try and use masks a couple times a week. If I'm just cleansing and moisturizing it every day, my skin doesn't look as good as when I'm masking a few times a week. Be it wash off mask, sheet masks, whatever I'm using. Let's see what's next. Here's the question. Is it really a Sephora Playbox if you don't get a primer? Really, guys, I know I have like oily skin on my thing. I either have oily or normal. I may have put oily, but all the primers. So many primers. At least every other box. I think there's 2 boxes in a row at least that we've gotten primers. I'm not complaining though. This is Benefit the Professional. This is an amazing primer. It's a go-to classic. This is a good size of it. I think I get like maybe 8 or 10 uses out of this. It's pretty good. I don't use a ton of primer either. I just tend to focus it. But I really do like this, especially for oily days. So it's another good thing to have. I wouldn't mind trying something new though, since I have already gotten this in a box before and have used it before. But this will go back here. I've got a little collection of drawers that I keep like samples that I'm not touching yet in. This will go in the primer drawer because I have enough to have a primer drawer at this point. Let's see what else we've got. This feels like a spray bottle. Oh, okay. The Bumble and Bumble Thickening Spray Pre-Styler. Says spray pre-styler onto damp hair, then blow dry and style for lift. I cannot wait to try this. Anything thickening is very, very helpful for my hair. It does look thicker now that it's cut short. It looks a lot thicker, but my hair tends to, because I had all that hair loss, now it's all growing back in, but my hair does tend to be oily at the roots and lose a lot of lift at the roots. So anything thickening like this is really, really helpful. I've been using another spray. It's the Alternate Caviar Volume Spray. I really, really like that one, but I've heard that this is amazing, so But I've heard that this is amazing, so I'm really excited to try this too and see how it works on my hair. Plus, that's a really good sample size. Okay, that's a full fluid ounce. That's I like. All right, what's in here next? We've got, okay, this is our perfume sample, and this is Viktor & Rolf, and this is, this is Flower Bomb. Everyone has smelled Flower Bomb. Pretty much everyone has owned Flower Bomb. I've never purchased it just because too much floral's too much for me. When I buy like big balls of scent, I tend to go for lighter, fresher scents because this is very florally, but it's very, very pretty smelling. I am going to put this on today. This is only halfway full though. Can we fill these things all the way up? Just saying. Whew. Yeah, that is very, very floral. It doesn't have like a citrus or anything else to balance it. It's just like straight floral. But I mean, it smells really good. I think this is one of those ones that I will kind of keep in my perfume collection for when I'm in the mood for a strong floral, because that does happen. It's rare, but it does happen. But this is definitely not the kind of perfume that I would wear like out to dinner or something like that, because it's very, very strong. I only put a tiny bit on and you can like smell it across the room. But there are certain occasions where something like this would be really, really good. Let's see what's next. What's this? This is, okay, so I've gotten like 3 of these in the past couple of years that I've been getting Sephora Play boxes. I will never complain about getting these. This is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper. This is my baby. This is my very favorite eyeliner ever, 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 ever. This stuff is amazing. It's fantastic. It's got a brush tip. It's beautiful. And it's just fantastic. So yeah, I'm very excited. I will never complain about getting these because again, the only place I can get them is Sephora, and that's a long freaking drive. So usually when I run out of this, I have to use other things until I can get this again. Now, I will say when I can't get this, I'm now like my second in command. Like if I cannot have this, my second for this is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Eyeliner. This is a felt tip, not a brush tip, but it's the best felt tip I've ever used. It's amazing. So if I can't get my hands on this, then I love this just as much. Honestly, the formula is like right on point. These are very, very similar formulas. But I'm very happy to have this. Since I do still have a full Smashbox, I'm going to keep this Kat Von D one in my backup drawer. That way, when I run out of my current black eyeliners, I have this favorite ready to go. This is a good box so far. We've got one more thing. Becca. Okay, I'm happy. I'm very, very happy. This is Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Champagne Pop. This was the color that Becca came out with Jaclyn Hill. And I've heard about it. I've looked at it in stores. I never really got that into it just because I heard it was very, very gold. And I don't tend to go for gold highlights because I'm so pale, especially during the winter. I tend to go for more, like, I was going to say champagne, but this isn't even champagne. But you know what I mean, paler highlights, like the Smashbox Pearl palette, like that level of pale. But let's pop this open. First of all, Becca's packaging, even in minis, is gorgeous. And it has a mirror. I love the little mini mirror. That is so cute. And here is the highlighter. This is very pretty. I wanted to swatch this. That is pretty. And honestly, looking at it in person, that is not as gold as I thought. I mean, it's still gold, but it's not quite as dark a gold as I thought it was. It's actually pretty. You know what? I already have highlighter on, but I'm going to pop this on. I don't normally do this, but I just want to see what this will look like on me, just because I'm curious. See, I already have a good amount of highlighter on, but this is not my highlighting brush. What am I doing? This is my highlighting brush. I use a fairly large brush to highlight because I like a more diffused highlight, but this is the e.l.f. highlighting brush. It's really, really good. Ooh, whoa, hello. It is a little teensy bit glittery, but not that bad actually. It's not as glittery as I thought it would be, and that definitely, yeah, that definitely has a glow to it. That is really pretty. And yeah, I'm highlighting my nose. I don't care. I like it. Ooh, okay, that is a pretty highlight. I would definitely say if you're super duper pale, it might be a little bit dark for you, but I'm starting to get more color and I've heavily bronzed my face today already. So this actually works really well with more bronzer and stuff. So, okay, this I will actually use. I'm very pleased. I think that's really pretty. All right, guys, so I'm going to go over everything we got in our box really quick again. We got the Sephora Purifying and Mattifying Mud Mask. We got the Bumble and Bumble Thickening Pre-Styling Spray. We got the Benefit Professional Primer. The Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper, which is always a favorite. Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter. And our little extra sample was the Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb Perfume. So all in all, I'm actually really, really excited about this month's box. I like everything in it. Like, I love this already. This highlighter is beautiful. I don't know why people gave this highlighter crap, because I know some people like would complain about it, but honestly, it doesn't look that glittery to me, and it's really pretty. I like it. Everyone has their own opinion, but I really like this highlighter so far. I know I love the Professional. We all know I love the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. The Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb smells good, and I will definitely be trying these two. I'm very, very excited to try these. So all in all, this was an excellent box. Like, I'm really, really pleased with this month's box. So let me know down in the comments below if you guys got anything different in your box, what you thought of this month's box. If you're over the moon like I am that we can finally use our play cards online. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel. You can also keep up with me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and occasionally Snapchat. All the links for those are down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye.